My customer wanted an Excel spreadsheet that would reformat raw COVID-19 data once every day. The customer wanted only columns 4 and 5 from the raw data placed in a finished data set. In the raw data, column 4 has the daily COVID case count for each specific state. Column 5 has the daily COVID death count for each specific state. The finished product horizontally pivots the column 4 and 5 raw data, placing the correct numbers below the correct columns for the correct states as shown here. After this stage, more steps happen that we will not see in this vid. I designed custom-built Excel Visual for Basic Applications software to solve the problem. We'll see the Excel VBA software in action. The user manually pastes the raw COVID data into cell A3. Most of the data looks offset because the source website formatted it that way. The custom Excel VBA software handles this issue to save the customer time and effort. The software ran in about 2 seconds and we can see that it worked perfectly. The second demo zooms out to show the software operation at a high level. This demo shows the high performance and high efficiency of the Excel VBA software that I built. The software levers the Excel VBA programming language, Excel formulas, and Excel cell addresses to build the solution. I can build high-quality Excel spreadsheets and Excel VBA software just like this for you. These products will solve problems and squeeze value from your existing spreadsheet resources, saving you huge amounts of time, money, effort, and energy. Reach out to me at Upwork. Let's get to work.